Let's create the accomplishments page. You're welcome to my design workshop, where I help beginner content creators build design skills and put them to use. Because in this workshop, we practice what we learn. It's time to add our fifth page. To do that, I'll click on this plus button, add a new page. Then I'll go ahead and change the background color. Click on the color circle and then come over here to the dark gray blue color, which has the hex code 242740. I'll click on that and I'll go over to the previous page, select the text, select the heading over there, which is work experience. I'll just copy that, Command C on Mac and Control C on Windows. Then I'll come over here and Command V or Control V on Windows. Now I'm going to change this to my accomplishments. Then I will change the color of the text to this gray color over here. Next, we will need 3 images and some text. Let's find our 3 images. This is the one that I'm going for. To search for it, I typed in here workspace. I'll just show you how I did that. You can type in here workspace and then search. It's showing me different photos that if it's on another option like graphics, shapes, just come over here and click photos and it will show workspace photos. I'm looking for a free image. I'll select this one for the first image. Then I'll position that to the left over here. Increase the size slightly. Elongate it a bit. And then, yeah, this is the first image. I'm looking for a second one. I think this should work. I'll just position that over here. I'm going to try to resize it so it's the same size as the first one. This should be fine. And then I'll find a third image. Let me type in here conference room. Yeah, this is a good one, but I want one that is a little brighter. I would have loved one with people in it that is also free. Okay, I'll go for this image. I'll put this one in the center and move this one over here. So we have our 3 images. Just make sure that it is the same size like that. And then I will position it in the center. Yeah. Make sure that this one is also the same size. If I put it underneath, yes, it is about the same size. Just position this over here. And now we can bring on some text. To do that, I'll click on the page and then press the letter T. That's the text right there. I'll change the font to Quicksand in the font section. Click on Quicksand and then I'll change the size to 30. Next, I'll be typing in here. First, let's align this left and then I'll type in I resolved problems, enter, effectively while managing limited resources, and saved, I think I'll enter just before saved the company, enter $50,000. This is a placeholder, by the way. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to make this a bullet point. To do that, I'll take my cursor to the beginning of the text and then select the bullet point. That's it right there. Everything is aligned. Now, all I have to do is duplicate the text and position each text box under the image, just like that. All right, let me zoom out so you can see the full page and what it looks like. Our fifth page, which is the accomplishments page, is done. Watch out for the next one. And remember, on here, we practice what we learn. I'll see you in the next one. Now go on and get creative.